it's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch, and this morning I'm entertaining an old friend and her family for brunch. It is back to school season and Rosh Hashanah season, so I've gotten out all of my little apple dishes and a pie plate full of apples and some red festive napkins to set my table. I've cleaned the house as clean as it's gonna get, and I've set up the children's table with some fresh craft paper and some fun cutout activity that I wanted to share with you. I'm serving just a regular brunch today. My husband's off to get the bagels with my big girl, and the coffee is brewing, and we're just gonna have a great time. But I wanted to show you, since I've shared with you some Rosh Hashanah playdate activities, I wanted to show you what that looks like in my house. So I have the table set here behind me, and then over here by the sliding glass doors, I have my little craft table. This is a symmetry cutout project, which is super open-ended and good for lots of ages. I have folded pieces of construction paper in half and drawn a shape on them, either an apple, a honey pot. We've done some fish and hearts in the past few days, and my daughters have enjoyed gluing jewels on theirs, but today I got out some tissue paper that I snipped into little pieces, and they can do tissue paper layering with a glue stick on whatever shape they cut out, and this is a fun decoration for their door or your front door over the high holidays. I also have my Rosh Hashanah PJ library books out in a basket, and just over here, the living room is as good as it's gonna be. I got out my basket of fake apples that I got at, I think, Pottery Barn a few years ago, and those the kids love to play with, so I set those out for another autumn-themed play thing. And then we're just gonna have our bagels. I have some apples and honey. I have some fruit. So really simple ideas for you, but not too fancy. I just kind of leave the stuff out and we see what happens. And then I always, since we have a boy child visiting us today, and my kids like crafts, but I know we might need some outdoor activities. I've also put in the back of my mind some things that the kids might like to do outside. We can just feed them, open the doors, release them, and if they want to turn my compost pile or feed some scraps to the earthworm bins, they can do that too today. So just some ideas. I hope you're having a great back to school season. I'm wishing you a Shana Tova. I am grateful for your time watching these videos. Thank you for your time and your comments, and I hope that this real life play date video is helpful to you. It is by no means perfectly clean in my house, and I'm sure there's something I forgot, but we're gonna have fun anyway. So thank you so much, and if you try some of these ideas, definitely let me know. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.